building elevation. Select architectural menu, select elevation and section, select elevation, enter number of floors, enter floor to floor height, and enter level text height, and pick building left side point, then right side point, and pick the above. Basic diagram is done. Then press enter. Then pick for column C, column, select columns, press enter, press P for parking, select parking area, select elevation lines, press L, press enter, press B for balcony, enter floor number and pick balconies, press enter, press D for door, enter the floor number and select doors, press enter, press W for window, enter floor number and pick windows. Then escape the command. If similar flat, select more menu, select special array and select non vertical part BR. Select object, press enter, enter copy the object 4, enter and enter the distance or pick 2 points.